Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to discuss wood rot repair. We're on site here and I'm Dan Frost from H.D.F Painting, the fine art of painting, and this is Talk Shop with Frost. So here in New England we have some old historic homes that really have really good bones, and they have the old growth wood. But like any homes in New England with the weather, you get some areas that you get some wood rot, especially around lower areas, around decks, around trim pieces, and in this case around the railing. So the question we ask ourselves is, when you come across wood rot, when do you replace or when do you repair? Now in this situation here, it's a relatively easy fix. This railing is really solid. We have some rot down here below, but we can apply some wood epoxy to that and make it come out like new. So the next thing you ask yourselves is, what do we need for equipment? Okay, now we're ready to start the wood epoxy repair, and we want to go over the tools and the materials you'll need. First of all, you need a real good pair of gloves. Okay, you need a 6-inch putty knife, and you need an 1.5 to 2-inch putty knife to apply the compound. A couple of these ounce mix and measure cups would be helpful. A stirring stick. We use the Abatron epoxy system. We first apply the liquid wood, part B mixed with part A. Okay. It's nice to have some acetone to help clean up areas, because it cleans up the liquid wood and the wood compound really well. And we also have the part A wood compound, the putty, with the part B wood compound. Alright? And a rag is always helpful. Okay, so those are the tools and materials that you need. So now that we have our tools and materials, the first step is to apply the liquid wood. Now, I just want to let you know, we've already gone ahead and dug out the old dead fibers that are loose. So this is pretty solid. So you want to take part A and part B and pour equal amounts of that into the little 1-ounce cup. We stirred that up for I'd say about a minute. You let that set for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're ready to apply it. Take a throwaway brush, okay, and liberally apply it to the damaged areas. Now, the nice thing about this product is that this liquid wood binds to these dead fibers and becomes part of the wood. So it's a real good foundation for the wood compound. So that's the first step. So now that liquid wood has cured over a couple days, we're going to apply the wood compound. We take part A and part B right here, and we use equal parts of that, put it together, and knead it like dough, like cookie dough or bread dough. And you knead that until it's a consistent color, okay? And when you're done with that, you're ready to apply it to the damaged area. We've already put some here. I'm going to put a little bit more. Put it in with your finger, just like that. Put it in here, like that. You get a good amount in there, and then you take your knife, your putty knife, dip it in water or acetone, and you can smooth it out to the contour of the piece that was there. Okay? And then you let that dry. Okay, so after 72 hours it's dried, and we've sanded it. As you can see, the profile is really nice, similar to what was before, and it's ready for paint. So we'll go ahead and paint. Two coats should work fine. we have our finished product.